I'm Kealy and welcome to the Bookmark Club. Today we're going to be reading Mixed, a Colorful Story by Arree Chung. This is a book about embracing differences, and Arree Chung dedicates it to James, Diego, Emma, Peregrine, Juniper, Dyson, Kate, Jaden, Haley, Zoe, and every new hue mixed into the spectrum. Alright, let's get started. In the beginning, there were 3 colors: yellows, reds, and blues. Reds were the loudest. La 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 la. Yellows were the brightest. And blues were the coolest. Which one are you? I'd probably be a red. I'm loud. Everyone lived in color harmony until... Look at that red. Doesn't he look angry and like he's up to something? One afternoon when a red said, "Reds are the best!" The yellows disagreed. "No, we're the best, 'cause we're the brightest." The blues were too cool to even respond. The colors decided to live in separate parts of the city. Look at that. Redville, Blue Town, Yellow Heights, all divided by gates and walls. And nobody looks happy. But then one day, a yellow noticed a blue. And something happened. I feel so happy when I'm near you. And I feel so calm when I'm with you. Yellow and blue became inseparable. Life felt so vibrant. But not all the colors were happy about it. Colors shouldn't mix. I don't like yellow's effect on blue. That blue isn't bright enough for yellow. But yellow and blue loved each other so much, they decided to mix at a wedding. Together, they created a new color. What do you think that new color's name is? Yep, they named her Green. Green was bright like yellow and calm like blue. But really, she was a color all her own. Everyone was fascinated. "I've never seen anything like her before. She's so cute." Even the grumpy colors fell in love with Green. "Can I hold her?" The colors began to see new possibilities. Soon other colors mixed, and mixed, and mixed, and mixed. There were so many new colors and a lot of new names. Don't forget your glasses, Lavender. Be careful, Jade. Have fun, Amber. The old neighborhoods of Redville, Blue Town, and Yellow Heights didn't make sense anymore. Everyone wanted to live together. So they rebuilt the city. Look how happy they are. Aren't they so happy? The new city was full of color. It wasn't perfect, but it was home. I'm so glad they learned how to embrace their differences. We're all different, and that makes us special. You're special in your own different way. You can get a copy of this book at your local library, your school's media center, or even online. And when you do, come on back and we'll read it together. In the meantime, be kind. Take care.